Good morning, fellow option traders. This is Jeff, and welcome to the daily scan for Tuesday. No, it's not Tuesday. It's Wednesday, November 26, 2014. All right, in yesterday's announcements, GDP came in better than expected. The Case-Shiller Home Pricing Index was spot on, and consumer confidence missed by a pretty big number, actually, which is a surprise. And that was it for yesterday. Today, we have a bunch of them here. I won't read them all off, but they're there. You can see them. So there is going to be a very busy day on the announcement front. And then tomorrow, markets are closed, and Friday is a half a day, roughly. So this is the last video of this week and the last video of November. Next time I talk to you, it'll be December of 2014, with only 1 month left in the year. Okay. That's a good thing, because then I can say, well, I made it another year. All right, over in Asia, they are looking pretty good. And Europe overall is looking pretty good, with just one exception. Actually, CAC doesn't look very good either. But not all that bad. Over here, we have a basically flat opening. Gold hasn't done much overnight. And oil, 74.20, took a big hit yesterday, but it's still not the low for the last 30 days. Wait, 10 days. It's a 10-day chart, so we don't have a low there. On the VIX, though, let's see here. On the VIX, that's pretty low. We have 1402 is the low. We didn't quite hit it here. Came pretty close. The ES, I heard the Dow was at a new high yesterday, so let's take a look at YM. That's what they said, but I don't see it on the futures. So there's a little bit of confusion about which numbers they're looking at. But I can tell you that still the Russell 2000 and the NASDAQ are both looking very strong right now. And we'll take a look at those with the cash indexes. Let's just get right into the A-plus list without any further ado. Yesterday, I jumped in on Netflix. I did a chase trade. You know, the kind of trade that I tell everybody else not to do, and then I go and do it. So we're just going to see how that works out. It just looked really strong in a bearish fashion. So Apple, we have a target set down here. We're waiting for it. Amazon, looks like it might have run out of gas here temporarily. Hoping for it to come down to our target. Boeing, yeah, we're going to have to roll that. Let's take a real quick look. Hey, that's the one that I have the let's go in here like that. Okay. I'm going to have to roll this one out here and to December 2, and that's looking real sweet, because that's like at $3.60 for that one. So I would have to, how can we make that look? Analyze opposite trade. That's the way it would look right now. We might want to go to, I thought we were thinking about maybe a 133 here. to try to bring this line up a little bit. So anyway, I'm going to I'll keep working on this, and I'll throw it into a spreadsheet so that we can see where we're at with it. Okay, enough of that. From a momentum perspective, it's not even coming close here. So if you did a bull put on this, congratulations. Baba. It's giving us strange looking things here on Baba. Looks like we might be back into starting a new uptrend. So we're waiting for it to come down here and tap our target. Baidu. Okay, Baidu, what do we got going on here? Don't know. I'm staying away from this. I'm taking this target off of here. Not knowing exactly what this thing is trying to do here, and I'm definitely not going to bet against it. Chipotle. Alright, Chipotle, we're still trying to figure out exactly what happened there as well. Or what is happening. We need to get this price consolidation like this, like we had back here. Yes, it may break out, and it may or may not give us a signal. This is here we had a clean one at least. Here it's a little confusing, but here also was after a pretty serious downtrend. So we're back into dipping over here. So we're getting mixed signals in here, and that makes me want to stay away from it. Costco looks like it's headed back down again, but we still have, the line is still blue. Moving average is still blue. So we will watch this. Actually, this is in a setup. So I'm going to call it as I see it. But not sure if I'm going to do anything about it today or not. Let's take a look at the Dow. Do we have a new high? No, we don't. Not on the cash index either. I don't know what numbers the markets are looking at. I don't know what the symbol is for whatever index they might be peaking at. But it's sort of trying to grind a little higher. Man, you're seeing resistance here at the 176 level, and now you're seeing it here at the 178 level. It's just having a really hard time pushing higher. Let's take a look at gold. Gold is consolidating here as well. Don't see any play there. Google coming up into our target area. We'll see how that works out. LinkedIn. We're probably in a downtrend. I would have to say this is set up. We have to call it as we see it, right? Whether we're really in a downtrend here or not, I don't know. Alright, let's move over to NDX. I have a iron condor on it. We're just going to see how it plays out. Don't see an entry here for a bull put. Over to Netflix. Netflix, as soon as we get the data here, this is the one where I entered this bear call yesterday morning. It looked pretty good then. I think it's going to do okay, so we're not going to panic on that for right now. Like I said, it's a chase. Went totally against the rules. We'll see how it works out. Price line. Also have a, looks like as though I have a diagonal on it as well. We had a lot of price consolidation, waiting for a more defining trend on this. Russell. messing around with a bunch of stuff on the Russell. We're waiting for the stochastic to come down and touch our target as well. SPX. Same thing, come down and hit our target. It's grinding higher. It had a new high yesterday at 2074.21. Tesla. Tesla, we actually had a nice move up yesterday.
It's up there.
Yeah, we have a downtrend. Some conflicting signals here on Tesla, and I just wanted to be more conservative and just kind of stay away from it and see how it works out. And last but not least is Visa. Visa had a new high yesterday. It's sort of drifting sideways as well. We're going to set a target down here for sometime next week. Let me go back to our oval, put our target in, and wait for it to come down and hit it so we can get in on a bull put. Alright, that's it for today. Again, it's the last video for this week. I'll talk to you again on Monday. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. Have a great holiday. Happy Thanksgiving. And happy trading.